To wake up early, set alarms to go off in 5-minute intervals, at least 5 minutes before the time that you need to wake up. If you tend to sleep through your alarm or hit the snooze button, try placing your alarm across the room from your bed so you have to get up to turn it off. Once you're up, drink some tea or coffee to jumpstart your body. You can also splash cold water on your face or hop in the shower to quickly wake yourself up. Remember to be in bed at least 7 hours before you need to wake up in the morning. The more rested you are, the easier it will be to wake up early. Once you've established a morning routine, stick to it. Your body will adapt to waking up early if you're consistent with your routine every morning.